Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to the countdown of top 10 programming languages. So on number 10 we have Scala. Scala is a programming language that incorporates both object-oriented and functional programming into an extraordinary, concise, logical, and extreme powerful language. The Rockstar language can handle huge data and its libraries, matching patterns, and focus on interactive development. Scala compared to Java is ultimately easier to use and increase the productivity. On number 9 we have C Sharp. Dating since 2000, C Sharp is a programming language designed by Microsoft for a wide range of enterprise applications that run on .NET Framework. Still in the shadow of PHP and Java, C Sharp has experienced a growing popularity every year. As an evolution of C and C++, the language is simple, modern, object-oriented, and functional. On number 8 we have Swift. It is developed by Apple and it is an open source programming language. Its developers are growing continuously and it is easier, flexible, and fun to use. Swift is used to build applications for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS, and it can reduce the length of the code, save time and energy. Many global companies have been very quick to adapt Swift, and we will see this new language on the rise in the future. On number 7 we have Ruby. Ruby is a general purpose programming language best known for its use in web programming. Rails serving as a framework for the Ruby language, Ruby is one of the favorite among the developers, startups, and establishing business with many qualities as fast development, few lines of code to write, a broad variety of third-party libraries available, and thriving community support and expected constant improve in the code. On number 6 we have Visual Basics.NET. Visual Basics is a simple, modern, object-oriented computer programming language developed by Microsoft. Visual Basic.NET is a fast and easy way to create .NET-based applications including XML web services, ASP web applications, desktop applications, as well as mobile applications. On number 5 we have JavaScript. JavaScript is the high-level and dynamic language considered one of the most powerful and popular language, used to spice up the web pages by making them interactive with JavaScript. And with JavaScript, the pop-up messages as well as you can add effects to the web pages. You can develop games and add basic functionalities like validations in a form field. On number 4 we have Go. Go is a free and open source programming language created by Google in 2007. In 2016, its popularity skyrocketed because it emphasized more on simplicity, high performance, efficiency, and built-in support. Keep in mind that many startups have made it their language of choice. 2017 is guaranteed to be the year when more developers start using Go. On number 3 we have PHP. It is the most popular language and it is used to write web applications. It has a significant edge over the competitors as it is an open source and stable language. Most recruiters over the world look for PHP developers to build dynamic websites which are responsive and interactive as well. On number 2 we have Python, that is widely used, high-level, general purpose and dynamic programming language. It is the language which is having the most demand and most of the jobs are there in Python. Python is worldwide used and it is following the popularity of Java. From the last 5 years, its popularity is grown up to 7%. On number 1 we have Java. Java is a programming language as well as a platform. Java is high-level, robust, secure, and object-oriented programming language. It can be used in desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, as well as mobile embedded systems, smart card, robotics, and games. By Java, we can develop 4 types of applications like standalone application, web application, enterprise application, and mobile application. And Android is also an extension of it. So I guess because of all these things, Java has its popularity and is going to be persist for a long time. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.